Hi guys, I'm Dr. JDM here. I just want to say a massive thank you all for supporting my videos. And as you guys know, I started my clothing brand. This is my first drop, Truck Days Champion 40-way jacket. Yeah, nice embroidery, look nice and simple. I really like that. And they got kangaroo pouch, so you can fold the jacket into one bag, so you can carry on if you don't need it. I got the large size because I wanted to have a layer. Especially for rainy truck days, it's sometimes you don't want to wear a jacket and racing stuff, so this is definitely good for works for that pretty well. Alright guys, here's a Kaizo Craft long sleeves, and this is extra large for my partner Jake, and it's pretty fit well. Also for the next 30 days, use this code for 10% off.
Anyway,
in today's video, we're gonna go over for last weekend's events. We went to Vicdrift Winter Matsuri. I managed to get on the truck with Nathan, and that was amazing. I just got so emotional. I almost cried myself. Oh, I'm shaking. Wasn't scary, not at all. It just, I had so much fun in the car. Nathan is a gun driver. I hope you guys could see how much I enjoyed. Yeah, so I will show you in a sec. Let's get into it.
That is proper. A Tesla? So in half an hour, I'm jumping onto Nathan's car. So I'm super excited. Hopefully I can show you guys how I feel. So I put on the GoPro inside in the car. So hopefully you guys could see everything. How you feeling? You ready to send it?
Yeah, fuck yeah. Let's throw it hard.
Yeah, super excited.
Yeah, that was really good. Well, I'm shaking.
First of all, I'd like to shout out to Sean for the thumbnail. He was photographing the day and managed to snag the awesome shot of me hanging out the window of Ness car. I love his photos, and I'm sure you will too. Give him follow, photos by Shawnee. And once again, a huge shout out to Nathan. Thanks heaps for taking me out. It was an absolutely blast. I learned so much watching you drive and can't wait to try it myself one day. But until then, I will keep trying to send it on Acero. As always, thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, please consider liking and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out the new store and use the code DRIFTDAYS for 10% off your first purchase. じゃあね!